unboxing Xbox Series S. It's the side of the box, the back, other side, and this is a Christmas gift. Let's see what we got in here. Xbox logo. Let's bring you guys a little closer. As you can see, power your dreams. This is the Xbox itself. And I guess it's the hookup, how to hook it up, scan it. Yeah, that's like the manual's guide. So let's see what else we got in here. In this box, power cable, HDMI cable, this is the warranty guide, Microsoft, so I can see. And last but not least, if I can get it out of here, the gaming controller. All white, as you can see. Fair, pretty decent weight on it. I'm not going to take it out the bag because, as I said again, this is a Christmas gift. I'm just doing the unboxing, as you can see. And again, this is the Xbox S Series. As you can see, slide this over. All your hookups back here. As you can see, HDMI, power, you know. This is a Christmas gift, Xbox S Series. As you can see, keep that in the camera. So, if you guys like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back at y'all with some more unboxing. So yeah, like this video, and I'll be back at y'all with some more unboxings. Again, this is the Xbox S Series. As you can see, S Series. 512 gigabyte SSD, 120 frames per second. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel, Mr. Random Content TV. Out for now. Peace. Alright guys, this is Random Content TV. I came back to y'all because this is what the Xbox I was showing y'all. This is, I'm downloading the game on here right now, Rocket League. As you can see, 40 more minutes left on here. But this how it look. I'm just downloading and pre-putting some games on here already. 90 point, some megabytes left. But this how it look. This digital, because this Xbox S Series, no disc is, you don't need no disc. You download all games from your Xbox account once you make an account. I forgot to mention that. But yeah, this is what it looked like. And I did open up the controller. As you can see, all white, Xbox logo, charging port, and it do take batteries. And that's the headphone, and I think HDMI at the bottom. I'm gonna have to get a charger because this one did not come with a charger. And that button you see there is the wireless button. But yeah, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, And Random Content TV out for now. Peace.